Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is timeout handling. Timeout handling defines how long Selenium should wait before throwing an exception. Common timeouts in Selenium are implicit wait, where element lookup timeout comes, explicit and fluent waits, condition based timeouts, page load timeouts, page navigation timeout, script timeout, async JavaScript execution timeout. If timeouts are too low, test fail unnecessarily. Too high, test become slow. Correct time handling is critical for stable automation. Here in the sample script, if you see, Selenium waits for an element within a defined timeout. If the element does not appear, Selenium throws a timeout exception. This prevents tests from hanging indefinitely. Proper timeout values help balance speed and stability. I will run the script and see how it works. So here if you see, I am entering the username for this field. So it has entered. Sorry, I did not run this one. I run previous example. Let me correct it. Sleep versus. So I should use timeout handling demo. So I will change the class name. Now I will run. If you see here, first page load wait is given, timeout is given, then implicit wait, and then this expected condition, which is finding the element. So timeouts handled correctly. So if you see, it has waited for the page load first. Okay. Second is implicitly waiting. It should be only 5 seconds or 10 seconds max, which is overall for all the elements on that particular page. Only for page load, whether the page is loaded successfully, for that we will use this timeout. For page load, one timeout, implicit wait for all the elements in the particular page. So if you see for this element, for all these elements, the timeout will be same. 5 seconds it will wait. Within 5 seconds, it is not able to find that element, it will throw an exception. So here explicitly we have said for that particular element, if I want to give an extra time, then I will give explicit wait. So let me recap again. Timeouts define patience, waits define logic. Too much waiting is as bad as no waiting. Good frameworks use consistent timeout strategy. Timeout controls how long, wait controls when. So now I will close the application.